Welcome to the top best. The best car foam cleaner is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions for tackling tough grime, grease, and stains on your car's interior surfaces, from upholstery and carpets to dashboards and door panels, offering a deep clean without harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, leaving your vehicle looking and smelling fresh like new. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful multi-purpose cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. From your kitchen to your bathroom, it leaves surfaces gleaming. It's perfect for tiles, glass, showers, ovens, sinks, and stainless steel. Say goodbye to stubborn marks and hello to a spotless home. Its versatile formula works wonders everywhere. Don't let grease and grime win. This paste effectively removes them without damaging your fixtures. Get ready for a new level of clean. It's the simple solution for a sparkling, fresh-smelling home. What we like. This cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. Its versatile formula works on multiple surfaces, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even ovens. If you're looking for a single solution to tackle a variety of household cleaning challenges, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is a great cleaner for car interiors. It effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces. The foam application makes it easy to use and covers surfaces evenly. Number 4. Chemical Guy's Watermelon Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. Introducing the Watermelon Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned professionals, ensuring a brilliant shine every time. Whether you prefer a traditional bucket wash, a foam gun, or a high-pressure foam cannon, this soap delivers exceptional results. It's perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, and more. Get ready for a whole new level of foam. This soap creates incredibly thick, dirt-fighting bubbles that lift grime away from your vehicle's surface. Achieve a truly clean vehicle with a wash that produces abundant foam. It's the key to a perfect detail, making your car look its absolute best. Proudly made in the USA, this car wash soap is crafted with professional-grade quality. You can trust it to deliver outstanding performance for all your cleaning needs. Enjoy the delightful watermelon scent as you wash. It makes the entire car cleaning experience more pleasant and invigorating. What we like. Experience a new level of car washing with its incredibly thick foam. This soap is designed to lift dirt and grime effectively, ensuring a safer wash. If you love a great scent and want a product that works with both traditional buckets and foam cannons, this is a fantastic choice for a fun and effective car wash. What people say. It cleans the car interior very well, removing dirt and stains effectively. The foam is easy to apply and doesn't leave any residue. It has a pleasant scent that makes the car smell fresh. Number 3. Chemical Guy's 14PC Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Introducing the complete auto detailing kit designed to make your vehicle shine. This comprehensive set has everything you need to wash, shine, and protect your car. Achieve a professional clean with our foam blaster that easily connects to any garden hose. It sprays thick suds to lift dirt and grime, minimizing swirl marks and scratches for a safer wash. This kit includes premium soaps, cleaners, and waxes for a full interior and exterior detail. Get a brilliant shine and lasting protection with our specially formulated products. Equipped with a heavy-duty wash bucket, microfiber towels, and essential applicators, this kit ensures a scratch-free, professional finish every time. It's designed for a superior detailing experience. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and more, this kit is suitable for all skill levels. It provides a fun, effective, and safe washing experience for any vehicle type. Looking for the ideal gift? This set is perfect for dads, car enthusiasts, or anyone who loves a clean car. Give the gift of professional auto detailing at home. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a professional car detailing experience at home. It includes a foam blaster that works with a garden hose, along with soaps, waxes, and essential tools. If you're a car enthusiast looking for an all-in-one solution or a gift for one, this kit offers incredible value and convenience. What people say. This product is a great cleaner for car interiors. It effectively removes dirt and grime from various surfaces. The foam action helps to lift stains and leave surfaces looking like new. Number 2. SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun and Microfiber Wash Mitt. Introducing the SwiftJet Foam Gun. It easily connects to your garden hose, turning it into a powerful foam blaster without needing a pressure washer. This makes car cleaning at home simpler and more effective than ever. Get that professional detailer finish. This foam gun creates thick, lubricating suds that safely lift dirt and grime away from your car's surface. This helps prevent scratches and swirl marks for a safer, cleaner wash. Customize your cleaning experience with 6 adjustable settings. You can choose from a light rinse to thick, heavy suds, perfect for any part of your vehicle, from paint to glass. Upgrade your car wash routine with this convenient foam gun. It's designed for speed and ease, allowing you to wash your vehicle in minutes and achieve better results than traditional methods. This kit is perfect for both beginners and car enthusiasts. It provides a fun and efficient way to achieve a superior clean, making car washing less of a chore and more of a pleasure. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your foam gun, please reach out to us, and we'll make it right. We want you to love your car cleaning experience. What we like. Transform your garden hose into a powerful foam blaster without needing a pressure washer. This foam gun creates thick, lubricating suds for a safer, scratch-free wash and offers adjustable settings for any cleaning job. If you want a simple, effective, and fun way to achieve a detailer-level clean at home, this is an excellent option. What people say. It cleans the car interior very well, removing dirt and stains effectively. The foam is easy to apply and doesn't leave any residue. It works on various surfaces like leather, plastic, and fabric. Number 1. Stoner Car Care 91134 Trim Clean. Introducing Stoner Car Care Trim Cleaner, the perfect solution for a deep clean. This powerful foam cleaner is ideal for your car, boat, or home. Its fast-acting formula dries quickly, ensuring no greasy residue or film is left behind. Enjoy a pristine finish every time. This interior cleaner is perfect for restoring the true color and appearance of your automotive interiors. It effectively removes dirt and grime. It works wonders on plastic trim, vinyl consoles, and rubber floor mats. Watch as it lifts dirt and grime with ease. Experience the power of its foaming action that concentrates cleaning where it's needed most. The foam won't run or drip. For best results, shake the can and spray generously. Allow the foam to lift dirt for 30 to 60 seconds before wiping clean. What we like. This foaming cleaner is specifically designed for automotive interiors, quickly lifting dirt and grime from trim, consoles, and plastics. Its fast-acting formula dries quickly without leaving a greasy residue. If you're looking to restore the true color and appearance of your car's interior plastics and vinyl, this is the perfect targeted solution. What people say. It works great on my car's interior, removing dirt and grime effectively. The foam cleaner has a pleasant scent and doesn't leave any residue. Easy to use and leaves surfaces looking like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.